If you're in Windows and you're finding that a document is not opening with the application that you expect or want, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to get it to open with the right application. So whether you're working with a text file or a PNG, an image file, movie files, anything like that, the principles are the same and the way to change it is the same. You're just going to pick the correct app for your specific needs. So here we have a PNG file, and if I double click it, it's opening, but it's opening in my web browser. And I don't want this for many reasons. I mean, it's not the worst way that an image file can open. At least I can see the image. It could be opening as a text file or something, but this is not how I like to see my photos usually. I want them to open with the Photos app. So let's change this. So I'm just going to X out. And what I need to do is navigate to the document that I want to change, and it could be in a folder, it could be on your desktop like this, wherever it is, just right click on it and go to Properties. Hit that and you'll get this, and right away you can see that it opens with Google Chrome, and that's not what I want. I need to change it. So if I hit the change button, I'll get some suggested apps that I may want to open it with instead, and usually I find that these will have the app that I want listed. So I can see that Photos is here. I could open it with any of these other ones and it would be okay, but Photos is what I was going for. If you don't see the app that you need, you'll need to navigate to it yourself. So here is choose an app on your PC button. You would click that and then just navigate to the application that you prefer. So that's basically it. I'm going to go to Photos. Like I said, though, if you're using a text file and you want it to open in Word, then you would pick Word from the suggested apps. So this is kind of circumstantial, but let's go. Photos it is. So set that as the default and hit OK. And now if I double click on this image, it's opening in my Photos app just like I want. So going forward, it will open the right way, and it just needed to be corrected. Remember, all you need to do is right click, Properties, and you can change it there. That's it. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, give me a like, and thank you guys so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.